Teams and what Teams should look like for you as a student. So I've gone ahead and I've opened up Teams. This is the web version of Teams. We're going to ask that most of you use the downloaded desktop version. It's very similar in how it lays out, but there are some slight discrepancies, but most of it has to do on the video end. But for this video, we're going to focus in on what Teams look like and how to access it. So Teams is very simple. It's a way in which we can organize our classes so that we can do virtual assignments and virtual work together in a lot of different ways. First and foremost, you can see that your faculty members will have their first name with the class and the period the class is associated with. You can move these around because they may appear differently than when you first get them. Just click on them, left click on them, slide them up, and they'll be able to slide them into order so that you can have them in order on your main screen. All right, and this will take you through the entirety of your day. Okay, you can see here how it's laid out. Works out pretty well. We're going to start with Mrs. Smith's Algebra Period 1 class. When we click in this is a really quick way to be able to access materials that are going on. First and foremost, your teacher will have set up for you a year-long meeting so that if you're out and you're for an extended period of time, they will be able to open the meeting for you so you can observe the class while it's taking place. All these are privatized teams. They exist only so that you and the teacher and the kids within the class can communicate with each other and have access to it. When we go and we click on the class itself and we click there, it will take us to where the meeting is. We're just going to click on, join meeting, and we'd be able to join the meeting during the designated time. Now, all your teachers will have the designated time as the base schedule time. So even if we are in a C schedule and third period may actually only be at 11 o'clock, it'd still be listed for the time that third period is normally, but you'll be able to join it no matter what. Additionally, when eventually this gets attached to the calendar, it will show up as a calendar piece right here. And so you'll be able to watch it on the calendar as well and be able to walk through it. But you will be able to access the team from the calendar as well as from this area right here. And again, this is designed to make it so that you guys can get access when you are home for an extended period for you to be able to observe the class. Additionally, this is where you may go for some classes to do group work, and your teachers will go over that as well. Additionally, this may be where you go to submit materials, and your individual teachers will go over that as well. This is a general overview to give you access to what is needed. If for some reason you need assistance while you are out of school, an option can be to call. Now, when you're calling, you're not permitted to call other students, but you can call faculty members. All right, but the faculty members will then set up a way for you to be able to communicate effectively in a small meeting, short meeting, so that you can communicate with them. All right, any other questions, please feel free to talk to your teachers or talk to Mr. Marche on the second floor, and he'll be happy to assist you.